Hello everybody, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I wanted to show you today how I have improvised because I didn't have any weights when I bought this machine. Now this sock knitting machine was one that I bought up that was in a really poor state. It didn't work at all, so I cleaned it all up and I put it all back together and got it working, and it works really rather nicely, so I'm really pleased with it. So if you want to see the video, I made a series of videos to show you how I got on when I first got it, what it was like when I first got it, and how I cleaned it all up and sorted it out. So go and have a look at those if you're interested in that. But today I wanted to show you how I made some weights for it, because like I say, I didn't have any weights when I bought it, and under here, this is the contraption that I've got under here. Now this is a really tight sprung clamp, and this was off some of my camera equipment that I got, some to help me with my recordings, but I haven't used this clamp for that. It just came with the package that I bought, so that just seemed perfect for me to, so anything that would clamp nice and tight, and it just happened to have these holes in here, so I had some S clamps, little S clamps like that, so they just fit nicely in there. And the weight that I've got in here in a sock, bizarrely, since I'm making socks on the machine, is one of these door stops. So this was one of my mum's old door stops that didn't really know what to do with, so it was a couple that was hanging around for a long time, so nice and heavy. So I've got another one there that I can do another one with, and then it just clamps on underneath and holds it perfectly. Now I also made some heel weights, and I made some heel weights out of one of these plastic covered coat hangers, which works really quite well. Look at those, nicely sprung. Now you can pay a lot of money for these sort of things, but coat hangers are really cheap. So what I did is, that is just that part there, that's all it is. So two out of one coat hanger, so I just snipped it off there and there, and then I'll just put that on there, and then took some of the wire, the plastic coating back, so it didn't get in the way. And I did have to file these edges down because it was quite rough and quite sharp, and I kept snagging, so I filed those off. And then the other sock to the one that I used for the big weight under there, I used to make two heel weights, and inside here is just some big nails that are all taped together, but you can put anything in there that's nice and heavy. So this just happens to be a big pack of nails, and I taped them together to keep them all firm, and hooked it on another S hook, and then they just clip on there like that and work perfectly. So up inside there, hook them on, and they work like a dream. So they just hook really easily and no snagging, so absolutely perfect. So I thought I would just show you how I improvise, and some people might say I can make something out of nothing. I'm sure they wouldn't say it about me, really. But they work perfectly and cost nothing, because I'd already got the coat hangers I'd already got the S-hooks, I'd already got an old pair of socks, I'd already got the nails, and I'd already got these old door stops. So you can make your weights out of things that you probably got around the house anyway. So if you haven't got any weights with yours, like I didn't, don't let it stop you. So I've also done a video to show you how to use a bath scrunchie for your casting on. So take a look at that video as well if you're interested in that. And I hope any tips that you want that I can help you with, please let me know, because I'm learning this as I'm going along. So hopefully I'll be able to give you some tips as I learn. So subscribe to my channel, click the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I bring out, and give me a thumbs up if you've liked this, just so I know that people are watching and I'm not just talking to myself. It's always handy. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.